This video will show you how to read ebooks from the Osseo Middle School Media Center. The first place that you need to go is Destiny Discover. If you can't find Destiny Discover on your Chromebook, please go to the District 279 webpage and you will find it under Family Access. Once you're at Destiny Discover, remember to log in as you. And if I go down, you will see a category here of ebooks. So I just want to let you know that although there are a bunch of ebooks in here, you will not see all of the ebooks that we have to offer. So if you see this book in here and you want to read it, go ahead and click on it and you'll be able to read it. But if you don't find what you're looking for, at the very top of Destiny Discover, you will see a link right here, Mac and Via. And if I hover over it, you can see ebooks only. When I click on that, it will take us to a login for Mac and Via. So I'm going to click on Osseo and type in Osseo Middle School and click on that. This is your regular login as usual. Okay, and then you log in with your regular login. And this brings you to all of the ebooks and the audiobooks that we have to offer at Osseo Middle School. On the left-hand side, you can search by categories. If you click on ebooks, you will just be brought to all of the ebooks and you can, search for something at the top. If you want this book, you just click open now. You can check it out so that it's in your checkouts and you can easily find it every day to read. Back at the top, there's a section for audiobooks. There we have a lot of audiobooks that you can listen to. Again, you can check them out if you want it in your account, or you can just click on Listen Now. So this is how you search and find audiobooks and ebooks that you can read from our Media Center. As usual, ask a teacher for help or come see us in the Media Center and we can help you figure this out. Good luck and happy reading!